Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a 2020 Acura MDX hybrid. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 with 321 horsepower and 289 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 20-inch 5-spoke alloys. Hybrid badging on the side. Black leather with gray stitching interior. A light wood trim. Sunroof. Rear climate controls, rear heated seats, rear cup holders, rear shades for the window. MDX SH-AWD drive badging. Power liftgate. A clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, cargo cover, fold down third row seats. Keyless entry, memory seats, blind spot assist, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera with sensors, navigation, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, our different camera functions, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, cup holders, center console, plenty of space down there, USB ports, auxiliary. This Acura has 7,535 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Acura MDX hybrid, visit us at feldmannimports.com.